In an adorable video, a strong friendship between a dog and a chick was seen, where the chick rests itself on the dog's nose. In the first shot, the dog lays on its back, as if sunbathing, while the chick sits on the dog's mouth. The dog can be seen lying with its eyes closed. In the next shot, the chick sits on the dog's nose. He does not move, as if protecting his friend and preventing it from falling. In another clip, a pigeon can be seen on the friendly dog's neck. In the next one, the same pigeon sits on the dog's head. In all the footage, the dog can be seen being patient with its avian buddies.